Hello. Today we're doing a little project. Since it's starting to get warm, I need to clean out my air conditioner because it's got some gunk inside of it. So now I gotta dig it out. This is gonna be difficult. The door isn't open wide enough. That's heavy. Oh boy. So, there's a bunch of like black mold inside this thing. And it's hard to figure out how to clean it, get all this crap out. So I'm trying to figure out if I can take off the grill and clean it. Should really have a workbench or something to do this, but I just found that there's a second screw. So yeah, we're looking good. Oh boy. So one thing I didn't intend on is there being the brain. It's in the front. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to clean this thing without disturbing the brain or the wires. So that means I can't use water or anything to clean it, so I don't know. Could be difficult. A little progress update. You can see I cleaned a bunch there, and I'm getting to this part now. It's just hard to get in those little cracks and crevices, man. Got the little Clorox wipe soaking it all up. Don't know what it is. It could be dust, could be mold. Either way, I don't want to breathe it in. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I think I've done all that I can do. I've got pretty much everything out of there, cleaned some in there. That was just a nightmare in there. It's just all styrofoam and covered in crap, so I feel a little better about putting this in the window and breathing this crap in, so. Yep. And now it's back together. Hopefully it works.